Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back at your social studies lesson number 13. This has been taken from unit number 4 at the seaside. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of the lesson, students would be able to identify typical sights at the beach and common animals. So, my dear students, have you ever visited a seashore or a beach? Look at this picture carefully. Yes, I can see your hands. Very good. Most of you have seen the sea. Right. Yes, I know it's in Karachi as well. What things can you see at the beach? Think. Okay. Are you thinking? I know you want to give answers. Okay, let's start. Yes? Yes, you see a lot of salty water that is near land. That is called as sea. Lot of people. Small boats. Mud houses. Who made these mud houses? Yes, small children. Even the elders one. They make it with the mud, with the sand. Seashells, yes, you can see lot of seashells on the beach. Horses and camels. People ride on these horses and camels. Small houses that are called as huts. Some people have huts near the seashore. They go there and put their things over there and they enjoy their picnic. Well done. So, what is a beach or a seashore? A beach or sea is an area near sea with sand or stones. Keep this in your mind. Let's have a look at today's task. You have to answer what is a sea and you have to name some things you see at a beach or seashore. Send your work at fsabine06@gmail.com. I will be waiting for your home task. Till then, bye-bye.